We have Mother's Day done for you. We have the best present for any mum. Well, any mum that's a chocolate lover like me. We have the Bliss Bag, and it is full of some of our best chocolates, sample sizes of our best selling chocolates, as well as some specially made chocolates just for this bag that you won't see again afterwards. Now, some of the things here, let me show you. This is what's in the bag, and this is specially made just for our Bliss Bag. This is a coconut pistachio heart, and it is gluten-free. We also have our lemon meringue. It's a mini pie, lemon meringue pie, insanely delicious, just for our Mother's Day bag. Coconut rolls, which are gluten-free as well, double chocolate coated. A selection of our best-selling Rocky Roads, including Pink Blossom, salted caramel peanut butter, and Dubai pistachio. Our hot chocolate sticks, our chocolate coated freeze-dried lollies, which have got pineapples and milk bottles there. Chocolate coated marshmallows, double chocolate coated. Caramel chocolate coated honey roasted macadamias. Turkish Delight chocolate coated. Our coconut stacks, yum. Caramel frogs, chocolate coated freeze dried strawberries. These are organic Australian grown strawberries. And our ginger nut chocolate coated cookies are back. These are gluten-free cookies. They are insanely delicious. And you get 4 of our gourmet chocolates, all in this tote bag. So it even comes in its own packaging. That's our Bliss Bag just for Mother's Day. We ship express courier around Australia. So your chocolates get to you not melted and not broken, and generally overnight. Limited number of these and only available up until Mother's Day. So get your Bliss Bag as soon as possible and send joy around Australia.